Nowadays, free earning is one of the best and easiest process from any corner of the world. Most of the unemployed or students or housewives doing this type of work without any types of skill or without any types of experience or investing any money. Hey, this is Make Money Online. Today, I want to share about 7 websites to earn extra rubles 2020 from any corner of the world by using your computer. So before starting this video, I could request to subscribe my channel, and if you click the bell button to get all types of notifications, and if you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends and family members. On the other hand, if you want to get such types of videos, please keep watching. So let's get started. Alright, this is my feature best 7 sites to earn free rubles 2020. The first website is called BK Target. BK Target is one of the amazing websites to earn extra cash just for free from any corner of the world. Earn rubles from social media. Minimum withdraw 15 rubles over here. Rubles is one kind of currency, just types of dollar or other currency. So you can earn 15 rubles from this BK Target. So if you want to earn from this bigger target, just click on this link over here, and you will start your journey on this biggertarget.com by understanding all the criteria from here. Second one is Colo Riba. Earn from lottery minimum withdraw 10 rubles, and just click on this link over here, and you have to fill up all the criteria to get started from this website, I think. So next one is called IPWEB web. IP web earn rubles from social media likes, comment, minimum withdraw 5 rubles over here, and you have to click on this link button, and then next website is called Capital Love. Capital Love is one of the pretty cool and amazing website. Earn from minimum rubles with withdraw 1 rubles over here, and then you have to click on this link button here, and you will be able to get connected to start your journey from any corner of the world. Next one is called So Public. Earn rubles from views as minimum withdraw 9 rubles. This is the best and easiest website for the beginners, I think, for starting in this pandemic situation. So just click on this link, and you will be able to get started from here. And then you will be able to get next website is called Teaser Fast. Teaser Fast. Earn rubles from your browser, Chrome, Mozilla. Minimum withdraw 1 ruble over here, and just click on this. Next website is final website. I think this is called VisitBox. VisitBox website. Earn ruble from watchers, minimum to withdraw, and 1 ruble over here. And this is the funny work, I think. Watch videos is funny or entertainable work, I think. So without any types of hesitation or skill or experience or investing any money, just follow these 7 websites to earn extra ruble from here. So don't waste your time, and don't never lose your time to spend without any types of earning. So I could request to watch my videos step by step, and then you can start your journey for earning more and more from these 7 websites. Thank you so much from the core of my heart. Uh, and if you want to get such types of videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends and family members. And if you want to have any question, just come to my description box, and you will be able to get the comment box, and then write your comment. I'll be able to answer and make a video on your particular topics. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.